Hello guys. Welcome back to another video of Airplane Simulator. Now let's get a plane and start the tutorial of how to land and take off. Taking off will need a lot of speed, so keep an eye on this. If the green fills up to the red line, then you're ready to fly. Now let's take off. Okay, don't mind if I switch plane because the Cessna was too slow. Time for the landing. Slow down to the green decreases to the blue line. I recommend the landing altitude is 100,150 to 00 alt. Also, I recommend this landing speed will be slow, so you don't overrun the plane. And there you have it, your first fight in Airplane Simulator. If you enjoy my contents, I recommend you to subscribe and like the video. And goodbye guys.